What's up guys, Clint here with MarineMax, Louisville, Texas. Today we're going to check out a brand new 2024 Aviara AV28. Let's check out the rest of the boat. Now that we're inside the boat, if you start from the back, we have a nice sun pad seating. This is spec'd out with a gray interior and matching gray flooring with SeaDek. Moving to the cockpit of the boat, super roomy up here, cup holders everywhere, USB ports, a lot of storage underneath the seats. This is spec'd out with the electric grill and wet bar. This does have the pull-out fridge for all your perishable items. Let's check out the helm. Now that we're inside the helm area, this is spec'd out with a nice 12-inch Simrad screen, so navigation, GPS, air, water, air temperature, everything's right there. DTS throttle. This is equipped with the head, vacuum flush system, sink, whatever you need on that day in the water. Let's check out the rest of the boat. As you walk through the port side walkthrough, this is spec'd out with the bow filler cushion, so a lot of room up here, more cup holders. Super deep bow here, so it'll be a nice dry ride on your out on the water. If this is something that interests you, my name is Clint Reether. Come see us at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas.